Welcome to this guided meditation, a space to release overthinking and invite calm and clarity into your mind. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down, allowing your body to be fully supported. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop. Let your jaw loosen. Let the muscles around your eyes soften. There's nothing you need to do right now. Just breathe. Bring your awareness to the rhythm of your breathing. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. With each breath, allow your thoughts to slow down as if your mind were a calm lake gently rippling with the breeze. If a thought appears, simply notice it and let it drift away like a cloud passing through the sky. Now take another slow breath in. And as you exhale, imagine releasing all tension from your body. Let go of what you cannot control. Breathe in calm. Breathe out resistance. Repeat quietly in your mind, I release what I can't control. My mind is calm and steady. I am safe to let go. Feel these words sink into you gently and naturally. Notice how each exhale clears a little more space inside. Now lengthen your breathing, inhaling for a slow count of 4 and exhaling for a count of 6. With each breath, sense your thoughts growing lighter, less sticky, less urgent. You don't need to chase them or solve them, just allow them to come and go. Imagine your mind as open sky, spacious, calm, and endlessly blue. Everything you no longer need, drifting softly away on the breeze. As we come to the end of this meditation, take one more deep breath in and slowly exhale. Now whisper to yourself, I choose peace. I am present and clear. I let go with love. Allow a gentle smile to form on your face, knowing that clarity and calm are always within you. When you're ready, begin to bring small movements back to your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Carry this stillness with you into the rest of your day. you for joining me. If this meditation brought you peace, please like and subscribe for more moments of calm